Hello guys, welcome to another video of Lantomoto. Today we are going to talk about another modern day gadget called Pumpex. So let's get started. As prevalent coronavirus pandemic has turned upside down with more than 3 million affected people till now. Studies have shown that 80% of the bacteria and viruses are transmitted through hands. Therefore, everyone needs to keep washing and avoid making contacts with public surface. Introducing Pumpex, the small lightweighted and portable gadget that can store up to 12 milliliter of disinfectant liquid, which is equal to 100 sprays. It can be done on the wrist and with the help of the backward sliding button, all the desired surface can be sanitized. So that is for today's guys. I hope you enjoy this video, then hit the like button and share it with your friends and subscribe our channel for getting more updates. I will meet you in another video. Till then, goodbye.